How to cancel CapCut subscription on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of subscriptions. Click on it. Now, in this page, you're going to find different sections: active and inactive subscription. Under active subscription, you'll find the option of CapCut. Click on it. With that, you'll get the option of cancel subscription at the bottom of it. Click on cancel subscription. You'll get the pop-up confirm cancellation. Click on confirm, and just with that, you have canceled subscription for CapCut app. Now you won't be charged anymore. And also, you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the CapCut app or account will not cancel your subscription, and subscription renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. So that's a wrap for this video. So this is how you can easily cancel CapCut subscription on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.